Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming Node. JS is installed and your editor is ready. This saves friction later. Once done, sign into Leetcode and filter for easy problems tagged JavaScript so you focus practice. Begin with one problem and set a 30-45 minute timer to keep momentum. This creates a productive habit. Make sure to open the problem in the editor and run quick console tests so you see immediate feedback and learn faster. You now move from setup to execution. Read examples and write a short plan as comments so your logic is explicit. Next, implement using concise JavaScript patterns. Use array methods, objects, and built-ins to reduce bugs. Once implemented, run tests and use console. Log plus Node to verify edge cases. This isolates errors quickly. If a test fails, step through with small inputs and refine the plan. This iterative loop is how you internalize problem patterns. You finish by polishing, check time and space complexity, and add brief comments explaining trade-offs so future you understands choices. Submit the solution and inspect runtime and memory stats. Compare approaches to learn alternate patterns. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Read the discussion for hints. Rewrite a simpler version focusing on correctness, then rerun tests. One key troubleshooting tip. Isolate failing cases with minimal input until you reproduce the bug, then fix and resubmit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.